The brand sent me these active home appliance surface cleaner wipes, and they've been really handy for quick cleanups around the kitchen and laundry area. Each pack comes with 24 large wipes, and the size is great because one wipe covers a lot of surface area. What I like is that they work on different appliances. I've used them on my washer and dryer, the stainless steel fridge, the microwave door, and even the glass cooktop. They remove fingerprints, smudges, and dust without leaving streaks behind. The wipes have a thick, durable texture, so they don't tear easily while you're wiping down bigger surfaces like counters or appliance doors. They're also lightly scented but not overpowering, which is nice if you're sensitive to strong cleaning smells. They're especially convenient for those moments when you don't want to pull out sprays and cloths. Just grab a wipe, clean, and toss it. If you like quick, easy appliance touch-ups, these wipes make day-to-day cleaning a lot simpler.